Alright, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 125. It's a 4 boxes of fun. We got Heads Up, we got Be a Player, we got SPX and Fleer in that order. And it's the random team, so here we have it. Here's all the names in the order you guys wanted. I'm going to do it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And the teams 3 times. 1. You guys on blog, I will paste this into the thread. There's 2, and here comes 3. Good luck. So Keto, you got Phoenix, Mog, Vancouver. Tidwell, Islanders, Tom, Minnesota, Mog, New Jersey, Elena, Rangers, Asspiper, Edmonton, Subterfuge, Anaheim, Punk, Tampa, Felix has got Buffalo. And unfortunately she's away right now, or she'd probably trade you, buddy. Elk Killer, Dallas. And Montreal, I got Washington. Sean's got San Jose. Not bad. Felix is Pittsburgh. Bruins has got St. Louis. Keto, Calgary. Mrs. O has got Winnipeg. Mog, Colorado. Easy Fun for you has got Boston. Sebastian's got the Kings. Punk, Detroit. Josh Season, Ottawa. CM Punk, Columbus. Mog, Chicago. Tidwell, Nashville. Blues has got Carolina. Mrs. O, Florida. Subterfuge with Philly and Toronto. Woohoo! I got my Leafs. Nice. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You can see that. And we're going to open up our boxes now. Alright, you did pretty good there, Moggy. Oh, I'm going to paste those into the thread before I start, so just give me a couple minutes. Excel. Yeah, Sharks isn't bad. There's a lot of Jumbo Joe stuff in this. I'm just stoked I got the Leafs. It's awesome. Don't care about the rest of the team. And Control C. Just gonna go to the thread for a second and post it. Right now, done deal. Let's see, it came through right. It did. Alright, guys. Oh, there's lots of Sharks in this stuff, man. Okay, we're starting off with a Heads Up. There's no serial number on this stuff. It is a factory sealed box. And where is my knife? There it is. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, there's 2 SPX and Be a Player, or good Pittsburgh years. So, if you haven't seen this, there's a mini sweater in every thing. So let's get right to that, see what it is. And it is, Moggy. You're happy you got Pittsburgh, you said. So I'm assuming you have Pittsburgh. So there you go, buddy. We got a bunch of packs in here. Empty box. Oh, you didn't get pens? Oh, Phyllis got the pens. Nice. We got base. Here we got a hobby edition for Detroit of Brendan Shanahan. Base, base, and base. Hey Tom, what's up, bud? Just coming at the perfect time. Base. Base. We got for Columbus, Nikolai Zherda, Prime Prospects. And base. Sadly, I'm not shipping any base, guys. This is way too much. Tchaikovsky. Base, base. And here we go, New Jersey Devils. Rink Immortals, Marty Brodeur. Nice. Yeah, I got the Leafs. I know it was rigged. And base. Go. Here we go for Anaheim. J.S. Jaguar, Stonewallers. Yager, Eliash, and I think there's 4 rookie cards in this set still. Oh, here we go. Matt Stajan Hobby Edition. Those Hobby Editions are out at $250 for the Leafs. I like to add that to my collection. Base. Hey, I thought that pack was really thick, but here, it's just 2 packs stuck together. So, here we go for the Pittsburgh Penguins Hobby Edition Rico Fata. That's out of $299. Tuesday Ryder Mark Bell. For the Winnipeg Jets in Atlanta Thrashers, we got Kovalchuk, fast forward. Base. There's all the rookie cards. Hobby Edition for the New York Rangers, Eric Lindros. That's out of $299. Base. We go for Nashville, Jordan Tutu, Prime Prospects. Not numbered. Base. Ooh, Hobby Edition Prime Prospects for Anaheim, Joffrey Lupul. That's at a $175. And that's cool because I think I got the Ducks. Oh yeah, Matt Stajan. That was the Matt Stajan rookie. You're right. So that Stajan was a rookie card. Stillman, Pronger. Oh, some sticky ones here. Roenick, Ralston. For Detroit, Rink Immortals, Dominator. And base. Stonewallers for Tampa, Habby Bulin. Base. Big pile going already here. That off the side. Yeah, they are $299. I was wondering why it was different numbered. Sakic. Hooray. Here we go. Hobby Edition for Detroit, Brett Hull. Out of $299. Sitterberg, Alfredson, and Yashin. I think the Senators are still paying for Yashin, aren't they? He retired like 5 years ago. Arnott Smith. Here we go. Fast forward. JR for Philly. Not numbered. Tatsuk, Hunter, and Habibulin. Blake. Oh, here we have a rookie for St. Louis, John Pohl. Naslund, Marty Brodeur, and Sean Burke. Hey, Keto, what's up, bud? Albertson, Tangay. Here we got for Calgary, we've got Matthew Lombardi, prime prospects. And base. Here we go. In focus, Ilya Kovalchuk for Winnipeg / Atlanta. And base. I don't know who you have, but it would be posted on the forum. Mogilny. Oh, another Matt Stage in Prime Prospects. Nice. Oh, this is a Leaf pack. At Belfour, Vasicek, and Brett Hall. Koivu. Biron. Here we go. For the New York Islanders, Rick DiPietro. Orange swatch. That's numbered out of 1,000. Number 3 of 1,000. And base. Oh yeah? Yeah, I like this stuff. Matt Sundin. In here for the Ottawa Senators, in focus, Jason Spezza. Sturm, Dumont, and Guerin. Ah, cool. We got the Marc-Andre Fleury for Phyllis. And it's his rookie year product too, so that's a rookie jersey. Fast forward for Minnesota Wild, Marian Gaborik. Base. Matthew Lombardi rookie card for Calgary. That's out of $8.99. Base. Yeah, you did, Moggs, last time. Last time I did a box of those, you got Stevie Y. Stonewallers, Marty Brodeur. Bobby Lou. Monte. And Patrick Lalime. Last pack. Oh, nice. Jumbo Joe. A coin. Oh, and another Calgary hit. Matthew Lombardi. Orange swatch. That's out of 1,200. And that's a rookie jersey. A decent box for Calgary. And there we go. That's it for the heads up. Moving on to one of Tom's favorite products. Be a player. 8 autographs in this box. Some rookie cards. Oh, I guess I should show you the serial number. It was posted. Ending in 037. Factory seal box. Empty box. 8 packs. Off we go. Alright, see ya. Oh, we got a dual autograph for the LA Kings. Rob Blake, Michael Camilleri. Very nice. Who had LA? That's a nice hit. Up close and personal, Olaf Kolzig for Washington. And Olaf Kolzig for Washington autograph. That's interesting. And base. Oh, good. That's a nice hit. Oli the goalie auto. I love it. Up close and personal, Chris Drury for Buffalo. And Michael Pekka autograph for me. And this is a double, so this is for trade if anybody wants it. Oh, hello. For Washington again, Profiles, Alexander Ovechkin. These are a really nice insert. Numbered 5 of 499. It's all embossed. Very nice card. And for Buffalo, Maxim Afinogenov. And Sean's drooling. Oh, Buffalo auto. Oh. Marc-Andre Fleury. We got Matt Lashoff rookie card for Boston. That's numbered 187 of 999. And Patrick O'Sullivan, another LA Kings autograph. LA Kings cleaning up in this Be a Player. He wasn't bad. I don't think he's even playing anymore. Up close and personal for the Vancouver Canucks, Bobby Lou. All these are out of $9.99. That's $9.19. And for the Carolina Hurricanes, that's a nice one. I don't know. Did Keto get Carolina again? Probably not. Eric Cole. Oh, you got that, Monks? Nice. I think I seen that pulled for you. That was pulled recently, wasn't it? Chichu, Bowmeister. And for the Calgary Flames, another good one. Dion Phaneuf. Calgary just cleaning. Who has Calgary, guys? And base and last pack. Oh, nice. You did very good in the heads up box too, man. I think you got 2 jersey cards and a short print rookie card. Chara, Patrick Thorson for Edmonton. That's out of $9.99. Oh, hello! For the Colorado Avalanche, Joe Sakic, short print. Number 7 of 10. That's massive hit. Wow. Who has Colorado? Oh, Todd will be contacting you. That's a massive hit there, Moggs. That paid for your entire break. That's the Be a Player. Let's move on to our SPX. Oh, and I got a blog fill. And we're at 19 minutes, so I'm just going to start a second video. Anyways, and fix a blog fill. So thanks, guys.